Here's BeReal app. So how to make BeReal account public. So when you're posting BeReal, you can see here that you're just posting some BeReal, and then you have the settings, my friends only. So if you want that your BeReal is seen by everyone, you just need to change it to discovery, and then your BeReal will be shared with everyone. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, so there is no like setting in BeReal settings that your account is like private or public. Don't look for that, don't search for that. I did like overview of BeReal app, it doesn't exist. The one thing why people can't see your BeReal post is because of these settings. Like if you just enable my friends only and you have 3 friends, only 3 friends will see it, and you won't get any real emojis, any reactions, and all of that. But if you select discovery, then everyone will see it, and your BeReal account automatically is becoming public.